front of me is iiiF150 Raptor 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Begin by finding an app called Files that's already on your device. After you find it, click on it, and if you never used it before, select Continue and Allow in the pop-ups. Now tap on those three lines at the top left corner and select Clean at the top. Then hit Clean under Junk Files, and last but not least, Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!